today we're going to make a Maharashtrian delicacy called modak. It's a sweet dish and one of the favorite naivedya of Ganpati Bappa. That's what we are making. So I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of ghee, homemade ghee, and I'm going to add about खोबऱ्याचा चव जो असतो तो घेतलाय मी, grated fresh coconut, for 21 modak you need 3 cups of खोबऱ्याचा चव or fresh grated coconut, and I take about 2/3 of gur or jaggery for the mixture, for the saran. Okay, so for 3 cups of grated coconut I am taking 2 cups of jaggery. Make sure there are no brown particles in this when you are taking the khobracha chav or the grated coconut. If you find any, just try to take it out. Watch for it, like this, something like that. You don't want any dark particles in there at all. And saute it for a bit, maybe 2-3 minutes, so that the wetness or the moisture from the coconut goes away. Now you can see the moisture is gone. I sauteed just for about 2-3 minutes, and I'm going to add the jaggery now. I've taken 2 cups of jaggery. Kisun घेतलाय हा गुळ, and we're going to add cardamom powder and some strings of kesher or saffron. That gives nice flavor to it. And now try to make sure that the jaggery gets completely melted in this. It will take at least about 10 minutes or so, and keep stirring it in between. Make sure your gas flame is on low all the time when you are making this, and keep stirring it so that the saran won't stick to the pan. And now you can see the entire jaggery has melted. We have to cook it for a little bit more so that it doesn't have too much liquid on the side, otherwise the modak will break. Okay, and I'm going to add few strings of kesher to this. That gives nice flavor. And also cardamom powder. It's about half a teaspoon, I would say. And keep stirring and make sure the wetness in that thing goes away in the saran or the stuffing that we are making. Keep stirring it for next maybe 5 minutes or so, and should be done. Let it cool down before you start making your modak. Okay, so now our saran is almost ready. Now for the modak, the outside covering is made of rice flour, and for that we are going to make this something called ukad, okay, which is like a steam thing. So I've taken 3 cups of water. About 21 modaks you can make out of 3. You need 3 cups of water and 3 cups of rice flour, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to this, and also 1 teaspoon of ghee. That's it. And I'm going to let it boil. Let it come to a rolling boil, and then I'm going to add the 3 cups of rice flour. Now you can see the water has come to rolling boil. So I'm going to add the rice flour to it. Now make sure that the flame is on the low. And keep stirring it. I'm going to add the rest of the flour now. So the proportion of water and the rice flour is 1:1, and keep stirring this and make sure the flame is on the low. And now we're going to cover this and let that steam for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to turn off the flame, and then we're going to try to make the dough out of it to make the modak. So now you can see it's nicely mixed. See, look at that. Now make sure the flame is on the low and cover the pan for 5 minutes and let it sit. So I had switched off the gas after steaming it for 5 minutes and just let it sit for about 10 minutes after that, after switching off the gas, because it's really hot, so you can't really knead the dough. Now we're going to take little by little, and you have to make sure it forms a homogeneous dough. So right now I'm going to take about let's think cover the rest of it in the meantime. So now we're going to knead the dough. It's really hot, so you cannot do it with your plain hands. So you have to use something like a stainless steel container like this. This is Fulpatra or Pela or Vati or Katori you can use, and start kneading it like this from the base of it, like that. And make sure that it forms a nice homogeneous mixture. There shouldn't be any guthaya kima lumps into the dough. So look at that, our outer covering for the modak. It's nicely, the dough is nicely kneaded. You can see the consistency, it's perfect. Now I'm going to show you the next step, how to stuff it in. Now we're going to start making the balls out of the dough. Make sure they're all equal sizes so that your modak are going to look all equally sized, and that's how it looks very pretty. They have to be all one size. And usually my eye makes 21 modak and 1 karanji, so for sister, for the brother modak. That's how it goes. So if you're making karanji, always don't forget to make modak, or when you're making modak, always make 1 karanji. Don't forget the sister. As you can see now, I've made 21 plus 1 for the karanji. I make 21 rounds like that for the modak, and I'm going to cover this while I'm making the rest. Make sure that you always keep them covered. So in this container where we made the cooker, I'm going to keep them back and cover it. Okay, now let's start making the modak. This is the steamer I'm going to use. I'm going to line this with any cloth you can have at home, and this I've made it little wet, and make sure the water is completely squeezed out, and then you put it in here. And as you start making the modak, start keeping it and keep covering it, and make sure you cover it with the lid all the time. So once that is over, then we'll steam it for 20 minutes. Now the next thing is I need some tandrachi pithi or rice flour again, and I'm going to make the outer covering now. Start making the outer covering. Okay, this I've taken some water with teaspoon of oil in here. Okay, so while making that actual modak, we need some on the side, and this is the water. I'm going to put that modak base onto this and then actually steam it. Okay, I'll show you as I go. Dab now on the ball, and I'm going to roll it on the and make sure you leave the middle portion a little thicker as compared to the outer portion. So try rolling it that way. And you're going to make puri size piece size out of it. And if you want, you can just put it in that rice flour one more time. Okay. So this is about 2.5 inches, I would say. Okay. So now hold it in your hand and stuff it with the stuffing. सारण घालायचं आपण हे. Can you see? I hope you can see this. If you want, you can put your hand in that water and the teaspoon of oil, that bowl I told you, so that you can start making the pleats now. So you pinch it like this. Leave one space, one finger space, and again pinch it. So this is how you make the kadya. Leave one space, finger space, and then you pinch it like this. Can you see this? And make sure it goes till down, so the kadya will be nice and clean when you're making it. एक finger space सोडायची आणि मग then you just hold it like this and pinch it. Can you see that? आता हा द्रोण छान तयार झाला आहे. And with very gentle hand, now you're going to start bringing the kadya together. Slowly you have to work on it. And make sure you pinch it like this. Can you see the modak now? So today my daughter Simran is going to help me making the modak. So this is, hopefully the next generation will continue with our traditional delicacies like this and take forward our traditions. So when your modak is done, make sure the base of the modak, this portion of the modak, you have to put it in the water. Remember the katori of water I told you, just plain water, keep it aside. So that's the function. So you're just putting a little bit like the base like that soaked, and then you put it in your cloth that I told you, which is wet cloth, and cover it when you're steaming it. So when you do this, when you soak your base, like you just touch the base into the water, it will not break. The modak, once it gets steamed, it won't break. That's the purpose of the water that I told you in a katori. Now first batch of 8 modaks are ready, so I'm going to start steaming them. You don't want too much crowding here, so that once it gets stuck to each other, then it breaks when you're taking it off. So just leave some space. So you'll have to probably do it for 3 times. So now I've made about 8 of them, and I'm going to steam it. Cover it like this and steam it for 20 minutes. Okay. So now our modak are ready. Ganpati Bappa Moria. The recipe is in the description box below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Heart to Palate.